Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get a wallpaper on your PS5. First, from your PlayStation 5's main home screen, simply scroll up to the top right corner and select the Settings gear icon. Once inside the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll down and choose Screen and Video. From there, look for the Wallpaper or Background option to begin customizing your console's appearance. It's a straightforward process to personalize your gaming experience. Now that you're in the Wallpaper section, you have a few choices. You can browse through the selection of pre-installed system wallpapers provided by PlayStation, or you can dive into your media gallery to use one of your own screenshots or downloaded images. Simply highlight your desired image and press the X button to select it. A quick confirmation will then apply your brand new background, instantly refreshing your console's look. To further personalize your wallpaper, you might find options to adjust its brightness or even apply subtle visual effects, depending on the image. For those who want truly unique backgrounds, you can connect a USB drive containing your own high-resolution images. Just make sure your custom pictures are in a compatible format like JPEG or PNG for the best results. This allows for endless possibilities to make your PlayStation 5 truly yours. Once you've made your selection, your new wallpaper should apply and save automatically. If you encounter any issues, such as the wallpaper not appearing correctly, double-check the image resolution and ensure it's a compatible file type. Sometimes, a quick restart of your PlayStation 5 can resolve minor display glitches. Enjoy your newly customized console, making your gaming setup feel even more personal and inviting with just a few simple steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.